Good day everyone, I am Melka Grace B. Tarian. Together with my co-partner Gia B. Bugawan, we will going to discuss the respiratory system. Function of respiratory system. First is breathing. It helps you breathe air in and out. Second is gas exchange. In your lungs, oxygen goes into your blood and carbon dioxide leaves your blood. So ang gas exchange sa imuhang lungs, ang oxygen kay moadto sa imuhang blood, tas ang carbon dioxide kay mohawa sa imong blood. Tapos ang the third is filtering air. Your nose filters, warms and moistens the air you breathe before it reaches your body. So ang filter air kay imuhang nose filter kay warm and moisten the air you breathe before siya maka-reach sa imuhang body. Tapos the fourth one is protection. The respiratory system has mucus and tiny hair that trap and remove dust and germs to keep your lungs clean. So ang protection dahil kay na siya the respiratory system kay na siya mucus o na siya tiny hair that nga maka-trap o maka-remove siya sa dust and ang germs pod to keep your lungs clean. The last but not the least is sound protection. The larynx or voice box produce sounds for speaking. Parts of the respiratory system. There are two parts of respiratory system. The upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract consists nose and nasal cavity, mouth, pharynx, and larynx, while the lower respiratory tract consists of trachea, bronchi, bronchus, alveoli, and diaphragm. Bronchi, bronchus, and alveolar is part of the lungs. Upper respiratory tract is the first part of the respiratory system responsible for conducting air to the lungs and preparing it for gas exchange. So ang upper respiratory tract kay mo ni siya ang first nga respiratory system nga responsible siya for conducting sa air to the lungs and mag-prepare po siya for gas exchange. Nose and nasal cavity. The nose is the primary entry point of the air. The nostril filter, warm and humidify the incoming air. Tiny hair called cilia trap dust and other particles preventing them from reaching the lungs. So ang nose mo ni siya ang primary entry point nga makasulod ang hangin. Ang nostril filter warm and increase the level of moisture and in the incoming air. Tas ang cilia mo ni siya ang gamay nga buhok nga naa sa atong ilong og makatabang pud kani siya sa tuwa kay mo ni siya ang mag-trap sa mga hugaw ug ang other particles nga para dili for preventing them from reaching the lungs kay kung makasulod man gud siya sa atong lungs magkasakit pud ta. Mo ni siya. So mouth. So the mouth serves as a secondary entrance for air, especially when the nose is blocked. However, it lacks the filtering and humidifying capabilities of the nose. So, ang mouth di ay mo ni siya ang ikaduha nga ay serve as a secondary entrance for air. Especially kung ang ilong nimo kay kanang example kay kisipon ka so na ay black. So, however, ang mouth kay lack siya of filtering and humidifying capabilities kumpara sa nose. So, ang pharynx. So, ang pharynx or throat is a muscular tube that connects the nose and mouth to the larynx. It acts as a passageway for both air and food. So, ang pharynx or throat, kay mo ni siya ang muscular tube nga nag-connect sa nose ug ang mouth sa larynx. Thus, it acts as a passageway for both air and food. So, ang larynx, also known as the voice box, is located at the top of the trachea. It contains the vocal cords which produce sounds. The Epiglottis, a small flap of tissue cover the larynx during swallowing to prevent food from entering the airway. So ang larynx kay also known as the voice box kay located siya sa tops of the trachea. It contains the vocal cord which produce sound. So ang epiglottis kay mo ni siya ang a small flap of tissue nga nag-cover sa larynx during sa pagtulon nimo sa imong mga pagkaon to prevent food nga para dili sila makasulod sa imuhang airway.
Lower respiratory tract is the second part of the respiratory system responsible for conducting air to the lungs and facilitating gas exchange. The lower respiratory tract is essential for conducting air to the lungs and facilitating gas exchange. It includes the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. The trachea connects to the larynx to the bronchi, which then branch into smaller bronchioles leading to the alveoli. In the alveoli, oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the blood, while carbon dioxide from the blood is expelled to be exhaled. This part of the respiratory system also protects the lungs from harmful particles and regulates airflow to ensure efficient gas exchange. Trachea. The trachea or windpipe is a long tube that connects the larynx to the lungs. It's supported by cartilage rings that keep it open during breathing. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a long tube that connects the larynx to the lungs. It is supported by cartilage rings that keep it open during breathing, ensuring a clear airway for air to pass through. This structure is essential for conducting air to the lungs where gas exchange occurs. Bronchi, plural bronchus. The bronchi are two large tubes that branch off from the trachea, one of each lung. They carry air into the lungs. The bronchi are two large tubes that branch off from the trachea, with one leading to each lung. They play a crucial role in the respiratory system by carrying air into the lungs, where it can then be distributed to the smaller bronchioles and alveoli for gas exchange. The alveoli are tiny air sacs, grape-like clusters at the end of the bronchioles. They are primary sites of gas exchange, where oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the bloodstream and carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli to be exhaled. The alveoli are tiny grape-like clusters at the end of the bronchioles. They are the primary sites for gas exchange in the lungs, where oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the bloodstream and carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli to be exhaled. This process is essentially for maintaining proper oxygen levels in the body and removing carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. The diaphragm is dome-shaped muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdomen. It plays a crucial role in breathing by contracting and flattening during inhalation, which creates a vacuum that pulls air into the lungs. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes, pushing air out of the lungs. The muscle is essentially for the respiratory process, ensuring that air is efficiently drawn into and expelled from the lungs. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdomen. It plays a crucial role for breathing by contracting and flattening during inhalation, which creates a vacuum that pulls air into the lungs. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes, pushing air out of the lungs. This muscle is essentially for the respiratory process, ensuring that air is efficiently drawn and expelled from the lungs.